Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Carrera Sydney. I've got this Porsche 964 Carrera 4 that we're working on today. So all these parts have to be removed out. So today we are doing a timing chain, front timing chain cover gaskets that we're leaking. So I've got that's the old one there. It's really hard, this one here. So we're just gonna clean the covers back up and then take all this one and inspect all this rubber seal here. I'm going to inspect all that, make sure that's all good, and you must remove the nut of the actual you're going to remove the nut off from this part here, like the bolt. Alright, and then you've got to put the bolt in here. So we have to actually sorry, go back to here. I'm gonna get the same size thread. You can clean every single one of them here, as you can see. I'm gonna put the tap into there and clean all the thread up, make sure they're all nice and clean before I do anything else. Alright, you see there? Same on this side here. So the stud, this stud here is going to come off. The nut must be off first. This must be on. You got to put this onto here. Sorry, let me focus. The stud is going to go onto here first. Torque it up to here first, every single one of them, and then the actual cover goes on. Cover goes on, and then you got the actual rubber goes on rubber, and then you put the cover, and then you put the nut on, and then you gotta torque that up as well. So don't just put this one straight onto the actual cover and then do up this part here. No, that must come off the stud. Alright, that's very important. So we're just gonna go do that first. After that we're going to do both cam covers. On this side here, top and bottom. I've got new parts for that as well, and I'm going to remove this cam tensioner gasket off as well, and I'm going to put some flange seal around that gasket. Should be okay to put it on. Same on this side here, on top part here. See the top part here, that top part there, that one there. I'm going to put a flange gasket seal, or maybe I can actually talk to the customer, maybe he's bought some, but for now maybe I might have to get new ones for that one. And then I'm gonna see if I can actually put some new seals on this one here, because they are leaking in the bottom part here. Select as well. Alright, and that pipe here, pretty brittle. It's a new pipe as well, oil pipe. And if you look underneath here as well, it's hard to see, but I'm going to check the rear main seal as well for this car here, and I'm going to go through the back just in case, make sure they're all tight. If I see something like that, I might get a new hose for this one here as well, just really brittle. Anything I see needs to be changed, I have to advise the customer on this one here before we install it. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.